So you have these two different folding camping chairs that this brand sent to me for this video, that they support 330 pounds each. Yeah, just like that. 330 pounds each, just like this. That's it. They're ready, and you have both chairs ready to go to the beach, camping, hiking, the park, whatever you want. So let's take a closer look of these two chairs. So they have a really nice metal frame, resistant metal frame for those 330 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot, just judging by the size of the chairs, that they're not really that big. They're not super tall though, so you can see that my head kind of like goes down. But these are not just for, I don't know, like glamping, you know. These are gonna be for taking, if you lack of a space, you can take them to the beach, to the park, to fishing, hiking, to the soccer match, your kid's soccer match or something like that. Something really cool down here comes with a mesh cup holder or bottle holder, so you can put your water bottle down here, so you can actually make sure that that one stays there. And of course, everything is going to be quick dry, so if you're dripping water out of the pool or out of the ocean or something like that, they're going to be quick dry. And then you can just fold them back, put it in the bag, drop it in the trunk of your car, your SUV, your truck bed or something like that, and you will be all set. So I gotta say that these ones are pretty convenient and also resistant with the 330 pounds. Set of two different colors, pick yours, because these ones are gonna be convenient to have this summer season.